welcome to Parker Seminars.
Waiting, watching, listening to every little sign I see. You are so bright, shining above all the city lights. You know it's right when all of the stars in the sky align. And if you and I, we are together as one tonight. So get up, stand up, what you waiting for? Let's go jump it. We gotta live like giving to begin. We gotta love like no one knows. Now I'm with you. Now I'm with you. Now I'm with you. Just sitting on top of the world. Honest, quiet, at night we say all the things for us to hear. Get up, stand up, what you waiting for? Let's go jump it. We gotta live like giving to begin. We gotta love like no one knows. Now I'm with you. Now I'm with you. Now I'm with you. Just sitting on top, I'm sitting on top of the world. Sitting on top of the world.
So the reason I come to Parker Seminars is because of the great education you can get. Always fantastic speakers, amazing keynotes, and of course, like I said, the education you get. You can take it back with you and use it on Mondays. Having a great time.
75 years of leadership, of innovation, of bringing together some of the brightest minds and the best in the business that there is. The brightest minds in healthcare right here.
We may fall in love every time we open up our eyes. I get smashed to dust. We are the apple of God's eye. We are infinite as the universe we hold inside.
If you've never been to Parker Seminars before, I would say come on out, sign up, because you'll get some education from top-notch speakers.
Infinity times, infinity times, infinity times, infinity.
Do you really want to be ready for that moment and go through the pain of iron sharpening iron, or would you rather just be a little bit more average and be comfortable along the way?
conversations that we're having here this weekend is changing the way healthcare is done. And it's shaping the future for all of us.